And here comes Mr. Croc, creeping up like he's in a spy movie. Wait, what's that floating there? Is it a snack? A rival? A toy with a face? He sniffs, gives it the old nudge, and oh, nope, not a snack. Totally not a snack. And yep, he's out. Dignity left behind.
Hey, buddy. Miss me? I missed you too. Look at that tail go. Good boy. I'm home.
Hidden cameras, spicy snacks, and pets who have no idea what's coming. First lick, first chew, then the fire hits. Sneezes, squawks, and a whole lot of side-eye. Their faces say it all. World's spiciest first bites.
First up, Mr. Raccoon. Confident bite. Uh-oh, eyes watering already. Fox tries one and instantly regrets life choices. Squirrel thinks it's a regular snack. Nope, too hot. He's gone. Magpie pecks. Spicy explosion. Exit stage.